Hey there, my name is Thomas Gibson, and today I'll be showing you how to organize emails using two commonly used email websites, Gmail and Outlook. This screencast is intended for people who are trying to decide which email account to use. For Gmail, you can easily archive emails by hovering over the desired email and clicking the icon of the down arrow. To the right of that is the delete, which will send it to your trash folder, and to the right of that again is the letter icon, which will mark your email as read. On the left-hand side of the page is a scroller. In here are all the folders that are available to you. You can also create new folders by going to this gear icon on the top right of the page. Clicking it, go to See All Settings, and then Labels. And then in here you can either delete existing folders or create brand new ones. As for Outlook, it is much the same, but a little bit simpler. Again, you hover over the desired email, and here you can either trash it with the trash icon, or mark it as unread or read, as well as flag it, which will give it some type of alert so that you know to look for it. On left-hand side of the page, again, is more folders that come preset with Outlook as soon as you get a new account. But unlike Gmail, it is much easier to create a new folder, as simply clicking it here will allow you to type in whatever you want. Since it takes a lot more clicking around to create a new folder using Gmail, Outlook was the winner for this task in my usability exam. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and thanks for listening. Thank you.